from last season, Coach. Lalong-lalo na, kilala natin yan, middle yan. Nagsimula para dito sa Perpetual, but now she's starting to variate her plays and, you know, be flexible in the positions that she plays for Perpetual.
More responsibility, one of our top 10 scorers. To si Winnie Bedania, dahil siya would provide outside hits. But Bedania has that length and agility on the court na yung buwelo niya side to side, which is what middles really do.
Dito sa ating laban, Heart Bio.
Ito si Heart Bio din, ha? Looks in better shape than last season.
Yeah. Ooh, open spot. That's Winnie Bedania. Off the slight push right here. Look at this. On the approach and then change her decision in mid-air.
Yeah, hirap na. And aantabayan na natin kasi may mga room for improvement pa si Shai. Kasi kung titignan mo yung percentage of attacks that she converts, as she progress, mas makikita na niya, oy, dito yung dapat ibagsak yung bola, ganito ko babasahin yung kalaban. And it comes with the reps.
That's the progression of a spiker as Doguna. Tier.
Oh, yung Bio tsaka Osada. Diyan nakakakuha ng puntos. Activate mo lang yan pagka mabilis ka bounce ball.
Winnie Bedania with a running hit.
So definitely a kill shot.
For sure.
Oo. And ang ganda rin ng pagkaka-set up nitong back set na to. And right in stride. Again, the length plays up. And mahirap yun na outstretch ka, tapos lalagyan mo pa ng enough. Yung strengthening and mobility ng wrist. Kasi yan yung maglalagay ng ball placement. Kaya yung drill nila sa tennis ball, yung sinasalo.
Yun Ayun, kinargahan na yun. Back-to-back points for Hiro Osada. And it is now an 18-15 lead for LPU. Osada, that time only faced a single defender at the net. So timeout dito para kay Coach Sandy Reyeta.
Dito ka lang pwede maging medyo selfish if you're a defender sa larong volleyball. You have to really be clear on the way that you're communicating. Hindi ka pwedeng, pwede ka naman dim your outside the Taraflex. Pero pag dito kailangan, an assertive ka eh.
Here's the setup. Omipon pushing it to the other side. Back row hit. Dalawa dapat yung tatalon doon. Si Tulang yung kumuha. Omipon on the wind-up. Guzman couldn't handle it, pero buhay pa ang bola. Good effort from LPU. Off-speed hit. Osada, checked. Puzon goes to Doguna this time. Nasa likod si Minor. Long rally here, longest one so far. And Uy, targeting that donut hole.
Yep. Right on. Doon kailangan mas mag-communicate. Parang ano yun eh. Pull a string, di ba? Pagka may mga defensive actions, hindi ka pwedeng maiwan on an island.
But LPU, this is...
Kasi nga, again, it's a very well-coached team. The system is in place. So, pagka yung isa na wala dun sa ecosystem nila, magsasuffer yung mga looks ng iba eh.
4-0 run. We'll begin. Faulty first ball here. They go to Doguna who puts it through. No problem for Joanne.
Ayan na, volume attack. Yan ang kailangan mo gawin eh. Di bali na magpulikatin yung mga attackers mo basta busog sila. Yan ang mga gusto ng mga pumapalo talaga eh. Dali mo na sa akin yung bola. And if you're not yan eh. So, nagva-vary din yung mga challenges. Ito, ngayon, baka ang challenge. Yan, hindi yan. Challenge.
Winnie Bedania!
Alam mo na no, saan nanggagaling yung mga attacks niya, tsaka ano yung tina-target niya. Past few attacks, it's either zone 4 or zone 5. Or pag nakakakuha siya ng magandang buwelo, and siya yung umipon taking that backseat as volume attacker. Ito pa.
What a drop from Uy. That's reading before attempting.
Natutunan kong term, RCE. Recognize, communicate, execute. So yung mga ganyan, lalo na sa volleyball
Grabe yung off-season work na ginawa nito.
Kailangan.
And gelling with the players as well. And that's a kill block.
Yep.
Kala ng LPU. Lalabas yun. But the block went in. 4-0 run for the Perpetual to get to within a point.
Like sa'yo, parang decent. Kalma lang.
But
lang yung boses.
But you understand the frustration of Shai. Nanghihinayang siya dun sa puntos as
Free ball.
LPU gives up the freebie here. Middle attack. That's Uy scoring on the quick.
Yun yung gusto mo naman. If you're getting a free ball, you want to get quicker on the attack. Komportable yung sinasabi ko nga na pag wala si Heart Bio or naka-challenge siya sa
15-20, Winnie Bedanya. That's a good serve. Joan Doguna off the block.
punat ng palo. Rinig na rinig natin. Halo ni Dio. Minsan wala nang nakakahabol na challenge dahil they're so preoccupied with these wing attackers.
Doguna. Ariola. Uy, hindi inabot. Tumawid yung bola. Teka lang, it's a scramble. And it's a free ball for Perpetual. Uy, is denied by Bio. Set point LPU.
Single coverage by Heart Bio.
Look at this. Shut down at the net.
Hindi naman sinasadya. Part of the game.
Heart Bio.
Timeout. Dalhin mo lang kung dun sino dapat pumalo.
Oh, Jaja lang. Yeah. Again, it's the middles making a difference for LPU. Dito, nagmistulang gitna si Jaja Tulang. Catching the blockers off guard.
Oo, na dime.
Winnie Bedanya.
Again, quick.
Osada. Ariola going to Omipon. And Shai Omipon gives Perpetual a 3-point lead. Look at this. Abuelo. Si Shai Omipon dito. Omipon now has 8 points in the match. Kung sakto, Perpetual was late to the ball.
Nag-improve na rin yung jump serve ni Dolorito. Dati kargado lang. Ngayon kaya na niya
And it's hurting their cause here, especially in set 3. Oh, difficult first ball. Joan Doguna sending it long. Yung long ball na yun, yung specialty nito ni Doguna. Joan Doguna. Oh, quick play. That was a low fast set for Bedanya. Just didn't work. Check out para dito kay Pauline Reyes. Off the block.
very surprising for me. Kasi parang, ako lang yun if I have the best libero, second best when it comes to numbers.
Well, that does not happen a lot. Single coverage, 1v1 at the net. Bio denying Bedanya.
Actually, pangalawa na ni Bio yan in this game. Na one-on-one coverage. Kaya nahihirapan silang mag-create naman ng pambawing atake, yung counter-attack.
Wow! Wow! Jonah Dolorito with a bang-bang after this powerful hit. Isa lang yung ibinato.
Tatlo
15, serving 17. Jonah Dolorito. Shai Omipon. Pinalusot ni Shai pero pinuhay ni Puzon.
Good D.
Puzon again. This time will set up Doguna. Another return by Uy. Dolorito. Popped up by Andal. Uy! Wow! You have to credit that full point to Kaiserlin Uy. A couple of blocks and then the quick attack.
And yung coverage din ni Marian Andala on that long hit by Dolorito.
Bustamante, second-year player from Pangasinan. So maraming Pangasinense na player itong si Coach Randy. Or Coach Sandy rather. Puzon. Dolorito. Kargado. Yung attempt na ni Dolorito.
Nagbukang cut shot yung palo niya.
Entertaining match. Ariola. Straight to Jonah. Puzon. To Doguna. Down the line. Special from Joan Doguna.
Kunat ng palo.
26-25. Kakasabout lang sa kanya ni Coach Crom. Combination.
I say winning time.
Shai Omipon.
Winning time. Puno ngayon. What if pagkapuno na yung mga heavy-hitting games na?
Ganyan.
Which was the question din talaga with Perps the past few years. Na they're always a looted team. They would always have
For the LPU Lady Pirates. Reyes. Shy again. Difficult take.
Hirap nun.
Osada. Osada scores back-to-back.
Lang signal yung communication gaps, getting into that space, controlling that first ball.
Shy Umipon winding up and finally scores there.
Parang ang si Dapol was the first option siya, of course, pero yung pagdating ng yung arrive ng mga attacks,
Mas
ramdam mo
kargado.
yung Umipon eh.
Yeah. Kasi may raw power talaga itong si Shy.
Siya ba yung nag-Rookie of the Year natin last year? I'm trying to go siya, di ba? Ang ating Freshman of the Year.
Here's Umipon.
Down the line, as mentioned.
Yeah, ito na. 2 straight points for Umipon. 3-1. Fast start for LPU. Toguna. Reyes.
Good
And
attack.
again, si Pauline Reyes ang bumubuhay sa opensa. She's got 12. Puzon. Back set to Tulang.
Good Bob.
Ariola. Off speed. Shy Umipon with a variation.
Good recovery here. Nagbigay sila ng sunod-sunod na error kanina. Dalawang magkasunod rather na error. And then nakabawi dito si Umipon at si Reyes.
Set up to the middle. Soft tip. Toguna. Quick to answer. This is deflected. Puzon. Goes to Pio!
Quick kill for Hard Gio. Solid game for her today. Very solid game. Percentage-wise, ang gaganda ng mga looks na nabibigay sa kanya.
That triggers a timeout para dito kay Coach Sandy Rieta.